We represent Atlas Copco in Karnataka state. Many suppliers of air compressors. Obviously, we are all there wherever we have an opportunity. I'm here, of course, I'm representing Atlas Copco. Basically, I would cover where we can contribute, where we can improve upon as a manufacturing unit. I'm not representing Atlas Copco here when I'm talking particular topic. Of course, since I'm representing Atlas Copco, my ambition is to work with you. But yet, I try to cover the soft parts where people are missing big time, which is contributing in terms of power consumption. Hence, the losses I would straight away say. With this background, just to introduce myself further, I'm PMP certified project manager. I've been building factories in India and abroad. I was a buyer. When I realized many of the people who come sit in front of me and try to market a product, unfortunately, people try to sell what is given, and they use all kind of tactics to obviously sell the product. But their intention and the customer intention are entirely different. Customer intention is, first thing is investment, second is operational cost. Overall, you have to look at life cycle costing and where do I end up in reducing my
25 years ago, Atlas Copco invented the
where do I stop so that I'll have a best efficiency for the company. That's my intention. When representative comes, they have different agenda. This has to somewhere collaborate. With that intention, we started Airprax Pneumatics LLP. We represent Atlas Copco. We use their product to sell, but we come with a solution. Okay, I'll just briefly. I don't have any great presentation to show you because most of them, if I have to cover and touch all the aspects, probably I need half a day to cover it and communicate what I want to communicate. But now, obviously, we all have very less time. I'll just touch upon the major parts so that we all understand there is a scope for improvement wherever, so that we can work together and improve upon your savings or reduce your losses. Like any other industry, air compressor industry also is evolving time and again. Just to share with you, in terms of motor, again we use motor from standard manufacturers. We use electronic components, electrical components, all from outsourced people, like motor from Siemens or similar people, electronical items from Schneider or similar people like that. But as the Atlas Copco, when we give a product or a compressor product, it has to come to the market. A lot of input comes from the manufacturer. I'll just touch upon that. I'll like to play a couple of videos, then probably we'll look at in detail about it.
drive compressor. Since then, Atlas Copco's VSD technology has often been copied, but never equal, because the drive that pushes us to be the first also powers us to be the best, with unmatched VSD energy efficiency, unquestionable reliability, and future-proof connectivity. So that in the end, 25 years ago, Atlas Copco invented the revolutionary variable speed drive compressor. Since then, Atlas Copco's VSD technology has often been copied, but never equaled, because the drive that pushes us to be the first also powers us to be the best, with unmatched VSD energy efficiency, unquestionable reliability, and future-proof connectivity. So that in the end, you win, with energy savings of 50% on average, and a drastically lower total cost of ownership, with the advanced engineering and top quality components that ensure maximum uptime, and with forward-looking control, monitoring, and connectivity tools that make your Atlas Copco compressor the most valuable member of your connected work floor. We know you have operational, financial, and environmental goals to meet. Atlas Copco has the drive that gets you there. Meet the new GA-VSDS, developed and built for a new era, for the generation that wants it all. The GA-VSDS required reimagining and reinventing every single compressor component, starting with the all-new drivetrain, controlled by the Neo's Next inverter and the Electronicon controller. The GA-VSDS comes with a new compression element, built especially by Atlas Copco for superior efficiency. For the first time ever in a compressor, the GA-VSDS also features a ferrite-assisted synchronous reluctance motor. It offers market-leading IE5 efficiency and a rotor built without rare earth materials, in a double win for sustainability. Next up, a revolutionary smart temperature control system to replace the traditional mechanical thermostat. The advanced synergy between the Electronicon controller, the TC valve, and the VSD fan allows for optimal oil temperature and injection based on your compressor's actual running conditions. The result? Superior reliability and efficiency. Key to this optimized performance is the Neo's Next, which manages the motor, the VSD fan, and the STC system. Developed in-house, the Neo's Next combines the functionality of an entire electrical cubicle in one compact component. But the VSDS offers even more smart features, from the all-new intelligent drains to the boost flow mode. The smart drains prevent moisture in your air system while monitoring and minimizing the number of drain cycles. The boost flow mode allows you to temporarily exceed your compressor's maximum capacity without losing pressure. The GA-VSDS meets the requirements of today's and tomorrow's connected production floor. It is fully OPC-UA enabled to seamlessly connect and communicate with your other production equipment. Our SmartLink platform allows you to monitor your GA-VSDS from anywhere and to analyze its performance from your computer and mobile device. All these features come in a small and silent package with a vertical, compact...
Atlas Copco is a worldwide company, which is 270 years plus company. The last video which you saw, VSDS model, is yet to launch in India. It's been launched across the world except in India. Probably we are expecting this to be launched in month of February, March kind of, depending on the current scenarios. It will be launched in India also. Okay, if you look at why Atlas Copco and what is the new technology in compressors, air compressors, major consumption of the energy is through the compressed air. In that, one of the part is the motor. The motor is generally, if you see IE2 motors, IE3 motors which are in the market, which are not that efficient. Now the permanent magnet motor, what Atlas Copco has developed, of course it has developed with one of the market leaders in motors. It has come with a synchronized permanent magnet motors which has got 96.6% of efficiency. Means if you give 1 kilowatt, what output you get is 966 watts. This is the kind of development which has happened. If you look at IE2 motors, which has got 87% efficiency to 96.6%, in very few years we have changed over from, we have improved on energy conservation by 10%, just right by replacing motor. This is one aspect of it. Second aspect is the compressor, the heart of the compressor, which we call as the element. Okay, this again, the inefficiency coupling between the motor to the element, that has been eradicated, and now we have a single shaft which connects motor, and there is no belt drive. Probably many of you will be using belt driven compressors. There are gear driven compressors. Now Atlas Copco has come up with a direct driven single shaft from motor to the compressor. That reduces another 3% of increase 3% of efficiency of the overall compressor. And of course, Atlas Copco's main business, which is into compression, they have come up with a new element which has got much better efficiency compared to, it has got almost 3% more output. Currently, if you are using, just to give a benchmark, 200 CFM compressors which was run by 30 kilowatt, the VSDS can deliver at 26 kilowatt. Okay, that's the kind of almost we have about 10% of increase in terms of output. And again, lot of small components like Sentinel, any compressor, if you see, when switches off and restarts, the pressure has to be neutralized, hence it will blow off the air within the compressor, which will add into about 1–1.5% of energy. That has been eliminated by using Sentinel valve. Okay, we'll show you the catalog. Narahari, can you, that catalog? Okay, the small aspects of the compressor has been looked at, improved upon, tested by third-party agencies, certified, and it's been supplied at the market. When this is the scenario, now the next question, these are the third page. The entire product, if you see, it comes with a vertical compressor. Compressor is mounted vertically. All your conventional compressors are horizontal, hence you need more footprint. Now this comes with a vertical design. It comes with an innovative radiator, heat exchangers, and the blowers for that. Hence your heat dissipation is at best. Also, the power consumed for the removing this radiation is also reduced. If you see as a overall package, the element which is used, the heart of the compressor which is used is a patented one. What patent means to us is that any competitor who has to introduce similar product, either they have to purchase that patent, the technology, or similar has to be innovated. Okay, this comes with a lot of innovation, and it would take for others in the market to catch up. Okay, what that means is we are already up and running in terms of technology compared to many of our competitors. Okay. This also comes with the inbuilt smart link, IoT based, so that the people who are really important, who want to know the data, they can get all those data in their smartphones. And it can be connected to your mail IDs. If anything goes wrong, the responsible people will get mails, the responsible people can get SMS, and also service provider like us will get your messages. If say as simple as increased temperature, our technician will get an alarm message saying that X customer has a problem. Okay, so that even before your maintenance team call us and say there is an issue to handle it, engineer already is aware of that, so that it can reduce the uptime. Engineer will be able to reach you much faster, and no attention required physically, someone standing and taking the readings hourly basis, and hence he'll realize, hence he'll come and communicate. All those wastes have been eliminated. This is the new technology which has come up, and it's already in the market. We have already VSD Plus, which has got same motor, the one which we have patented, vertical with permanent magnet motor, is already in the market. VSDS is little more advanced in terms of output. Okay, this is what Atlas Copco has to offer. Here the next question is, the great products are available, like Mr. Nandagopan was just mentioning, there are companies who have got 7-8 compressors. 7-8, it shows that you're growing really fast, you are investing a lot of money, and you have got a lot of orders, but yet somewhere you are missing on the energy saving part. In the speed of growth, you are missing on savings, you are missing on the conservation of natural resources, hence electricity is also part of, comes from there. That's where we, Airprax, comes in picture. We work with you, we study your consumption pattern, we study your loads, based on that we recommend the right size. Okay. But definitely you may ask, when you you people come and try to invest, make me invest more and more. Yes, that was the case, but now today demand from the customer is different. You are getting support from your foundations, your the groups and government sponsored programs. They all help you in definitely giving you market knowledge, the ways you can reduce energies, and obviously they are also monitoring what is being invested. Hence, we are not here to dump. We are here to work with you, give a solution so that we can all optimize. My next business comes only when I do a good job with you. Otherwise, when I already know that your people are doing good job and you're growing, hence you're investing, I would not miss a bus by dumping you something which you don't want. Okay. Anyway, you are measuring it. We'll help you in measuring it. We help you in studying existing loads. We help you once post investment. We'll help you in monitoring it. We'll work with you. We'll show you if there is any saving. If there is no saving, how can we improve? How can we go forward? Hence, I have my future. Hence, we have our business. Hence, the common goal of today is met. Okay. Now, we have a great product. In the video you saw, visit atlascopco.com. Anybody can go there and do it. Then what is the purpose of air packs pneumatics here? We are not a sales team. Okay. Our business is not a just dumping whatever is there. We are not a grocery shop. Someone comes and picks it up and go. We are a solution provider. As I said, I have been purchasing for 25 years before starting this activity of air packs LLP. It's my personal experience as well that I don't want to buy something which is not required for me. Whatever I get, it should be a holistic solution. Okay, I don't want to buy a TV and hence I don't know, I have no internet connectivity, I have no the satellite connection, hence my TV of no use. Hence, Airpack's responsibility is to work with you, study your existing situation, recommend what is that future. Along with the product, Atlas Copco product of air compressors and related products, we also have nitrogen generators, on-site nitrogen generators. We need to buy bottles. Those products are there. Along with that, we also work with you to see you have any air leakages, which is a cost. 1 mm of air leakage could cost you up to 7% of energy, what you are generating. Okay, that's the significance of one leakage. Okay, we work with you on the leakages. Second pitfall could be sizing. You're growing fast. You bought new compressor, connected to the same line and started using. You think the compressor is bad because it's consuming too much of energy. If you are measuring. If you are not measuring, God knows. Otherwise, if you measure, you will find a lot of energy inefficiency and hence you are spending a lot of money on the compressors. But something which you have to realize, the pipelines which are carrying the air to the right place also has to be upgraded. Only adding one more compressor definitely doesn't do your purpose. It may temporarily satisfy your purpose, but it is big weight on your pocket. Hence, our responsibility is to work with you, give you all the data, then give you solution, and we will work with you. Okay, we'll share our contact details after when we are free after these presentations. We work with you and we'll come and meet you in person and take it forward. Thanks for this opportunity, Mr. Nandbaba.
Compressor, because he was aware that his foundry does not require much compressor, but of the studies which I have done in over